Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Project Pulse 1. This product is available in www.projectpulse.in. Today we are going to learn about sound sensor interfacing with Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Observe the circuit diagram. Take a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus board and take a Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Connect the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus board and Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board with 40-pin connector. Connect the power supply and HDMI cable to the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus board. Now connect the power supply to the Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Connect the LCD to the Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Take sound sensor. Connect the sensor VCC pin to plus 3.3 volts pin of Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Connect the sensor A0 pin to G16th pin of Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Connect the sensor ground pin to ground pin of Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Switch on the power supply. Open the code and observe it. Run the program. Observe the output. Observe the output. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.